Hello and welcome to Developer Learning Zone, brought to you by me, your instructor Alex Headley. And in this Tech Help video we're going to run through installing the report builder for SQL Server. Now there's a number of different report builders that you can still download. Now in a previous video for the installing of the report server, you downloaded both the Power BI report server exe and also a Power BI desktop setup. You can see that's the desktop setup report server. Now there are other options, so there's this Power BI report builder, there's just the normal report builder. If you were to go to the Microsoft Store, there's the Power BI desktop. So today we're just going to install the Power BI report builder to show how we can build paginated reports. So I'll put the links to all the different ones, but if you've installed or downloaded the report server to do that, you can use the setup from there. Now if you're working at a company or you're setting up for the users, you might want to use different ones, so we'll decide what's best for you. So here we've got the Power BI desktop from September 2025. I'm going to do English for me, but pick the language you need. As you can see, it had a little admin prompt, so it doesn't show you that screen on my recording. And then we'll wait for the next stage. So it's installing stuff. Read through all of the notes. Again, as usual, read through the terms and conditions, and if you're comfortable with them, accept them. Pick your location for where you wish to install it, and then you can decide whether you want a desktop shortcut or not. And then as usual, depending on how speedy your system is, this may take seconds to minutes. I'm not going to pause the video, although maybe I should. So yeah, catch you when this is ready. And as if by magic, we've finished the install. As you can see, it's successfully installed, and we can toggle whether we want to launch the Power BI desktop. I'm going to click finish, and then Power BI desktop's going to launch. As you can see, there's selected data source to start with a blank report. There's recommended stuff. You can sign in, open existing reports. I'm going to click on blank report, and then you can see you can get the data from various different places. So in a future video, we're going to connect to SQL Server and have a go at building our reports from there. So see you then. Thanks so much.